What if the next stadium anthem wasn't written by a human but by an AI? Sounds like science fiction, right? But the reality is here. AI music is grabbing the world's attention with raw, wild power. Today, we're looking beyond simple generation. We're talking about a tool that's revolutionizing everything. From creation to consumption, AI is changing our relationship with sound in ways we never imagined. But this innovation has shadows. We're facing challenges that hit the soul of human creativity. Intellectual property is the first hurdle. Who owns the rights when an algorithm writes the hit? Can a machine ever truly replicate the soul behind a song, or is it just sophisticated math? The fear is real. Human expression being replaced by infinite, efficient digital output. Is it fair to train AI on human work without permission or payment? The debate is heating up. Deepfake voices are blurring the lines between legend and simulation. What's real anymore? Ultimately, we have to ask, what is music without the shared human experience that once defined it? These controversies are reshaping the legal and moral landscape of art forever, fast and complex. But let's dive into the tools. AI isn't just about replacement, it's about expansion and new power. Tools can now generate melodies and orchestral arrangements in the blink of an eye. Pure speed. Artists are using AI as co-writers, brainstorming partners that push the boundaries of what's possible. Even technical mastering is evolving. AI ensures every track sounds studio-perfect instantly. No delays. This democratizes music, allowing anyone with a vision to produce high-quality sound regardless of skill. Major artists are already integrating these tools, creating sounds that feel truly, wildly new. We might see entirely new genres built on logic and patterns humans can't even perceive. The next step. The development is rapid, moving us toward a climax that will redefine the live experience. Get ready. Now imagine the climax, a future where music isn't just fixed, it's fluid, alive, and reacting to you. Mass-personalized music, songs that change based on your mood, your heart rate, or your environment. Alive. Your playlist could be infinite, generating unique versions of your favorite tracks every time you listen. No repeats. And those stadium anthems? They'll be interactive, evolving with the crowd in ways no human could manage. This isn't a gimmick. It's the birth of an unprecedented level of creative freedom and expression for everyone. AI will be the ultimate muse, pushing us into sonic territories that were previously unreachable. Pure discovery. It's a wild, exciting, and complex future. AI isn't replacing music. It's expanding everything it can be. In summary, AI is reshaping the landscape. A powerful tool, a complex challenge, and a thrilling frontier. Let's go. So, what's your take? Will AI write the next big hit, or is human creativity irreplaceable? Comment below. Subscribe for more deep dives into the wild future of tech. Let's keep the beat going. See you there.